welcome back to my channel, and today I have a box to share with you guys. This is by NotedJournalPH. This is their Christmas box, so it's a little bit bigger than their usual box. It is like a subscription box, but you don't have to subscribe to it every month. You could just choose to subscribe. They have a limited amount of box that you could purchase per month. And this one is their Christmas box, which has collaborators from different handmade shops in the Philippines. So I'm so excited. NotedJournalPH makes travel notebooks and leather covers for your notebook, so that's what they do. And this box arrived a few days ago. I just didn't have time to open it, but right now I'm excited to share this with you guys for Vlogmas. So let's open it. Alright, so the front looks like this. I actually included a few sticker sheets for this box. I sponsored a few sticker sheets, so to those who got them, I hope you like them. It's from Stickers and Doodles. Dun, da, da, da. Oh, I thought you'll be able to see the goodies right then and there, but I like that this is a corrugated box too. Alright, so what's in here is a list of what you will get inside. You'll get a traveler's notebook, two-piece traveler's notebook insert. You get a detachable pen holder, you get a mini TN keychain, foiled washi tape roll, pencil pouch, 10 pieces of craft travel tags, which I could use for my gift tags, and items from the Christmas box collaborators, which is from different shops. There we go. So that's what's included in the box. Alright. Okay. So this, I think, is the notebook, I'm sure. And oh my god, this is full. What? I don't know where to begin. Hold on. Okay, let's start with the notebook first, because this is going to be my very first like TN I ordered online. So this could be very exciting. I chose the, I think the rose. Yeah. Oh, this is in the standard size. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are handmade as well, which I love. Okay, let me zoom you out a bit. Look at these, you guys. This is a standard TN. I'm using a smaller version that I got from the mall, but this one looks really cool. I'm so excited to use this for like my daily journaling. Oh, got a little message there. And this is the TN. This is how the leather is. Let me know if you want me to give you an in-depth review of the planners, but I don't think there's a need for that anymore. But you can see how big it is and how versatile it is. You could put like a lot more, maybe like 2 more books in there, 2, 3. Oh, it has a good allowance also on the side, so you could probably make this a little bit more thick. So that's cool. So I got that. I have so many to go through. Alright, so this is a pencil case that it came with. Let me zoom you guys back in. There we go. It also came with a pencil case. This one is a different color. I think this is their maroon color, which actually I don't mind that it's a different color, because that just gives me versatility and I get more colors out of it. So yeah, this would be great for even just for cards and like checkbooks and things like that. Ooh, that's so exciting. Oh, I like this leather is a little bit thicker than this one. Yeah, it's a little bit thicker than this one. I don't know. I'm not sure what kind of leather I like, but any of these two will work for me for sure. Alright, so these are the tags that it came in, I think. Ooh. This is a small TN. Oh my gosh, there's a mini TN in here. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Does this work? Oh my gosh, look at it. It's a tiny TN. Ah, that's so cute. Oh, I want to use that for my keys. I like that. And I think this is the pen loop that you could put on your planner. And then these are the craft tags, which I could totally use for Christmas. So I might just do that. Alright, so the next few things that you get is also the foiled washi tape. This one is from Apple Tree. Yeah. And it's gold hearts. I don't have this, so I'm going to be able to use that a lot. So I think that's what you get in a basic monthly kit. You get a TN with inserts inside. And then you get a pencil pouch. And then you get the micro TN or the mini, micro TN. And then you get the tags and then the pen loop. And then you also get a washi tape. I think that's what's included in the Noted box ideally. But then you also get all of this for Christmas from collaborators. So let me show you guys what I have. This one is from Wonderlust. I think these are stickers. Yeah, these are die-cut stickers, which are, I think, travel themed. Oops. There we go. Ooh, that's so fun. That's a camera, an adventure, and things like that. Okay, so the next one is this charm. Ooh, I like that it's pink. I really do like that it's pink. And it's a tassel charm by I Love Mantra PH. I'm going to try to put every link down below, or I could just link you to the website for NotedJournalPH so that I could share with you guys the links there. And this one is a wooden stamp. Are these handmade? It is. It's by Ruby Happy. And you also get another charm here, which I like that it's all pink too. I think she matched it with maybe, I don't know, or maybe it's just coincidence, but this would look great on this. So I'm excited for this one. This one is Crafted by QKC. Oh, and this one is from You Are You Co. I think I'm going to put the stickers at the last part. Yeah, I'm just going to take these smaller ones here first. Okay, so this one's another charm. Oh, it's not. It's like a string that you could put for your TN. It's by Put It in Paper. Put It in Paper. Okay, that's so cute. You also get the beads in there. I like that. And guys, I'm obsessed with notepads. I have a ton of them. So this is cute. This is by Pink Elephant. There's a Chanel bag down there with makeup. And I do like makeup as well. This will be put into good use. So I like that. This box is so filled with so many things and it's crazy. This one is by Ampersand. This is their paper bags, which would be great for gifts this Christmas too. Oh, I like that. And another washi tape sampler by Papeterie Puppeteer Shop. Is that how it's called? Puppeteer Shop. Correct me down below if I'm wrong. So cute. There are uniforms in there, sailor outfits. I like that. And this, I think, it's Team Create. I've seen their work and they're so cute too. These are stickers. I like them. I really do. Okay, so, oh, by the way, this is what I included in the box. This is the stickers and doodle sampler sheet. Okay, so a few more stickers left. Next thing we have is the You Are You Co kit, which I recently ordered from You Are You Co, and I love their stickers. This one has a TN kit, I think. I think there are 2 sheets of TN stickers in there. You also get, I think this is a die cut of Sleigh and Santa in there, and some gold foil headers. These are so lovely. I'm going to make use of those for sure. And you also get this one from Crafting Spot. These are die cut stickers and ephemeras. Oh, and there's a washi tape in there, washi tape sample in there too. That's fun. Oh, and this one is one of my favorite shops too. It's Kina Prints. And you get a sampler from her. You get this big die cut sticker and then these stickers at the bottom, which are so fun. These, I think, are their bigger sizes of stickers, so that's cute. And this one is by Fairy Rights. I wanted to try some of her stickers, and these are foiled. Oh, but first coffee, obviously. Hold on. I mean, I'm currently drinking some. Haha. Oh, I love that. Oh, I'm definitely gonna use this for Christmas too. Oh, these are adorable. Oh, I might need to buy more of these. Those are cute. This one is by Kay's Craftivity. And this is a countdown for Christmas. And I like that it's reindeers. Oh, that's cute. Let me know if you want to see like a haul of just the stickers, because I could show them to you guys in depth too. This one is by Rainbow Pipit. How do you pronounce this? Rainbow Papeterie, I think. And I'm in love with the girls that she has on here. I like that it's black and white, and she has dark hair. I'm definitely gonna make use of these so much. Alright, and last but definitely not the least, it's from Craft Pretty Shop, and these are die cuts and some tags and some doilies, which are great for TN and crafting and scrapbooking too. So that's that. That is a fun filled box from NotedJournalPH. If you want to check them out, I'm going to put the link down below, and then through that link you will be able to see the collaborators in this box. You get a ton. They only do this once a year. It's for their Christmas box, and I'm glad that I got that. I bought this Christmas box. They didn't send this to me. These are all my opinions. I did get a discount because I also was one of the collaborators. But other than that, this is actually a really good deal. The price for this box, I think, is worth it just for the TN and the inserts alone, and the extras that you get using that kit as well. So yeah, these are just all extras, so I'm so excited I got to share that to you guys. And that's it for today's Vlogmas. I enjoyed filming this one, and now I'm just gonna enjoy the goodies here. If you want to see some of the goodies in close-up, let me know, because I could share it with you guys as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas still. I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye!